Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying the VIDAA X9 Pro, give me just 1 minute because there are a few things that genuinely impressed me after using this projector. I bought this projector from Amazon using the link in the description, so if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same Amazon link for the latest price and available offers. The first thing that stood out to me was how easy it is to set up. Thanks to AI autofocus and automatic screen adjustment, the picture becomes sharp within seconds without constantly tweaking the settings. It's one of those features you really appreciate in day-to-day use. Picture quality is another big highlight. The projector supports 4K content with HDR10, and the image looks sharp, colorful, and detailed. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or a 4K movie, the viewing experience feels premium, especially on a large screen. One feature I really liked is the built-in VIDAA Smart OS. It comes with Netflix support out of the box, so you don't need an extra streaming stick to start watching your favorite shows. The interface is smooth, easy to navigate, and everything loads quickly. The 920 ISO lumens also make a noticeable difference. In a dark room, the picture looks bright and vibrant, while in a moderately lit room it's still very enjoyable for movies and sports. Sound quality genuinely surprised me as well. The built-in 40W Dolby audio speakers are loud, clear, and have much better bass than most portable projectors. For casual movie nights, you may not even feel the need for external speakers. Another feature I found useful is Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity. Streaming is smooth, and connecting wireless headphones or a Bluetooth speaker takes just a few seconds. The AI voice control is a nice bonus too. Instead of scrolling through menus, you can simply use voice commands to search for movies or open apps, making the overall experience much more convenient. Now the honest part, like most projectors, you'll get the best picture quality in a dim or dark room. While it's bright enough for casual daytime viewing with curtains closed, it truly shines during evening movie sessions. Overall, I came away genuinely impressed with the VIDAA X9 Pro. It combines sharp 4K visuals, built-in Netflix, powerful Dolby audio, easy setup, and a smooth smart TV experience, making it a great choice for anyone looking to build a home theater without spending a fortune. If you're interested in buying it, don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and available offers.
Right now you see that single free safety McKinney in the back of the defense.
Third and a long one. Hurts over the middle. It's caught.